Error analysis asks a precise question. Where did the mathematical meaning first change? A wrong solution may end with a believable number, but its first illegal line reveals the cause. For 18 minus 6 divided by 3 plus 2, subtracting first destroys the printed priority. The correct path divides 6 by 3 before handling addition and subtraction. That gives 18 minus 2 plus 2, then 18. Do not criticize every later line. Later arithmetic may be consistent with the first mistake. Circle the earliest changed, meaning name the violated rule, and repair from there. This turns a mistake into useful evidence. Use a 4-stage diagnosis instead of restarting the entire problem blindly. Compare each line with the line immediately above it. Locate the first line that is not mathematically equivalent. Explain the specific rule, grouping, powers, equal priority, or sign structure. Repair that line and continue with one legal change at a time. In 18 minus 6 divided by 3 plus 2, the first legal action is 6 divided by 3. The repaired expression is 18 minus 2 plus 2, which equals 18. A calculator entry with the printed structure should confirm the same result. Locate, explain, repair, and verify. A fraction bar groups its complete numerator and denominator. For open parenthesis 8 plus 4 close parenthesis divided by 2, incorrect work may divide only 4 by 2. That produces 8 plus 2, or 10. The numerator is the complete group 8 plus 4, so it must be finished before division. Complete the grouped numerator. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then divide the complete numerator by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. The repaired value is 6, not 10. Treat a fraction bar as parentheses around everything above and below it. Grouping controls what the division acts on. An exponent applies before nearby addition unless grouping says otherwise. In 3 plus 2 cubed, incorrect work may add 3 and 2 first. That changes the expression to 5 cubed, or 125. No parentheses group 3 plus 2, so the exponent belongs only to the base 2. Evaluate 2 cubed as 8. Rewrite the expression as 3 plus 8. The correct value is 11. 11 matches the printed exponent structure. Before calculating a power, identify its exact base. Never invent grouping around an addition. Multiplication and division share priority, and are completed from left to right. For 24 divided by 6 times 3, incorrect work may multiply 6 times 3 first. That creates 24 divided by 18. There are no parentheses around 6 times 3, so that invented group changes the expression. Move left to right. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Then multiply 4 by 3. The correct value is 12. 12 preserves the printed left to right order. Equal priority means scan from left to right, not multiply before divide. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. A negative sign outside a power is not the same as a negative base. Suppose negative 3 squared is entered with parentheses as open parenthesis, negative 3 close parenthesis squared. The calculator returns positive 9, but that entry represents a different expression. Without printed parentheses, the exponent applies to 3 first, and the outside negative remains. Evaluate 3 squared as 9. Apply the outside negative sign after the power. Negative 3 squared, without parentheses, equals negative 9. Parentheses decide whether the sign belongs to the base. Make the calculator entry match the exact printed structure. Do not use parentheses merely to make entry easier. After repairing a line, audit the answer from several directions. Structure check. Did every group, power, and fraction bar keep its scope? Sign check. Should the result be positive, negative, or 0? Magnitude check. Does a quick estimate support the size and decimal placement? Inverse or alternate entry check. Can another operation reproduce the starting value? Agreement among these checks makes a calculator display more trustworthy. A display is evidence, not an explanation. Preserve the structure that produced it. Verification should test meaning as well as arithmetic. Use a 4-part routine whenever you diagnose written or calculator work. Compare consecutive lines. Find the first changed meaning. Name and repair the violated rule. Verify sign, size, and structure. Challenge. Someone changes 18 minus 6 divided by 3 plus 2 into 12 divided by 5. The first error is subtracting before division and then grouping the remaining terms. Divide first. 18 minus 2 plus 2 equals 18. Find the first illegal line, not merely the final wrong number.